I'll give you £100 right now if you can read what that word says.
Matter.
I can't believe you know what that was. Fuming.
Because I can't read, you'd have to take piss out of me.
No, but I didn't think you'd know that said Marta. He can read. He can't read out loud. Gareth can read in his head, but when he tries to read out loud, what he's reading don't come out of his mouth. ADHD, he's got something wrong with him. We love him anyway, but he's still got something wrong with him. Now that is an impressive grandfather clock. What for?
Ho 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 and a bottle of rum. We're going to find that, Trish says.
Yeah, we are St Catherine's Observatory. You'll see where King Charles, his prison cell. This is his prison cell up right hand side.
That looks like him out of...
Guy Fawkes.
Yeah.
Looks like Guy Fawkes, but it's not.
V. And that's what the needles look like on a picture.
This is what boats look like in the water when they're nearly crashing into each other. We need to get out there, don't we?
It's a nice view out there, isn't it?
Them steps are not very wide, are they? I think they need some of that laminate stuff in here, because this floor sounds like before you put ours in, you know, it's squeaking. Oh, you see, you hear it?
That looks like something out of an horror movie. What I don't watch, by the way, I don't like the scary music.